Essential calculus topics with examples. Calculus is divided into differential calculus, concerned with rates of change and slopes of curves, and integral calculus, focused on accumulation of quantities and areas under curves. Let's learn some key topics with step-by-step examples. Limits and continuity. Limits help define derivatives and integrals by analyzing the behavior of functions as they approach a point. Example 1. Evaluating a limit. Find. Limit as x approaches 2. X squared minus 4 over x minus 2. Solution. Step 1. Factor the numerator. That is, x squared minus 4 can be written as x minus 2 times x plus 2. Step 2. Cancel the common term, that is, x minus 2 in the numerator is simplified, with x minus 2 in the denominator. After simplification, it will be limit as x approaches 2, x plus 2. Now substitute x equals to 2, which equals to 2 plus 2, that equals to 4. Example 2. Limit at infinity. Find. Limit as x approaches infinity. 5, x squared plus 3 over 2x squared plus 7. Solution. Divide numerator and denominator by x squared. That will be limit x approaches infinity. 5, x squared by x squared plus 3 by x squared over 2x squared by x squared plus 7 by x squared. X squared in the numerator and denominators are simplified. After simplification, limit x approaches infinity, 5 plus 3 by x squared over 2 plus 7 by x squared. Now substitute x value as infinity. We know that any number divided by infinity is 0. Hence, it will be 5 plus 0 over 2 plus 0. The answer is 5 over 2. Thanks for watching.